Attention all business owners, marketers, and video creators. Are you tired of spending countless hours and money on creating engaging videos that still struggle to capture your audience's attention? Look no further than Avatar Builder, the revolutionary software that will transform your video production and marketing strategy. First and foremost, Avatar Builder has a user-friendly interface that even beginners can navigate with ease. Our software offers a vast selection of customizable characters, backgrounds, and animations that will elevate your videos to the next level. Whether you are using Avatar Builder for your YouTube channel, social media posts, or marketing campaigns, the possibilities are endless. But that's not all. Our software also provides numerous marketing features that can help boost your online presence and increase your brand's awareness. With Avatar Builder, you can add captions, music, and calls to action to your videos, which will entice your audience to engage with your content and take the next step towards becoming a loyal customer. Here's an example. Imagine you are a small business owner who wants to advertise your new product line on social media. You can use Avatar Builder to create a video with an animated character showcasing your product's unique features, including a call to action to visit your website or make a purchase. Within just a few clicks, you have a unique, eye-catching video without hiring a professional videographer or spending a fortune on software. Furthermore, Avatar Builder saves you time and money compared to other video creation software options available in the market. Instead of relying on a professional team or outsourcing video creation, Avatar Builder lets you create videos in-house, on your own schedule, and at a fraction of the cost. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to enhance your video production and marketing strategy. Invest in Avatar Builder today and experience the difference it can make for your business. Trust us. Your audience will thank you. Click the link in the description and get it now.